In the last video, we went over the 7 major sharp keys and how to construct them in the order sharps and became more comfortable with this. In this video, we're going to go over the 7 major flat keys. If we look at the grand piano with C at the highest point and we come down a perfect fifth, we come to F. F major scale is going to be our first scale in the cycle of fifths. F major scale is going to have 1 flat. Then we move down a perfect fifth and we come to B flat. B flat major is going to have 2 flats. Then we're going to have E flat down a perfect fifth and we're going to add another flat, so we'll have 3, and we keep adding additional flat until we use up all 7 flats. When we look at the keyboard here, we can see that 3 of the scales have an enharmonic equivalent. B major, as we went over before, has 5 sharps. We will play the notes here and we would have the same sound. We would hear the same notes on the keyboard, but if we looked at how it was notated, B major would have 5 sharps, but we will see that C flat major will have 7 flats. F sharp major, for instance, has 6 sharps in the key signature, and G flat major has 6 flats. C sharp major is all sharp, 7 sharps, but D flat major has 5 flats. Let's begin with a review of the major scale. Every major scale consists of 2 tetrachords joined together by a whole step. Now let's have a look at the F major scale. We have the F tetrachord on the bottom, and again a tetrachord consists of the pattern of a whole step, and a half step. And then we have our whole step here from B flat to C, and then we have another tetrachord, whole step, and half step built on C. We can see that F major scale has a B flat, and that is the first flat in the order of flats. If we go down a perfect fifth from F on the keyboard, we come to B flat, and B flat is the next scale in the cycle of fifths or the circle of fifths. We have the B flat tetrachord on the bottom right here. We have a whole step from E flat to F, and the F tetrachord is on top. When we look at B flat major scale, we see that we now have 2 flats, B flat and E flat. So in our order of flats, we have B flat and E flat so far. A perfect fifth down from B flat on the keyboard is E flat, so we build our next major scale starting on E flat. The E flat tetrachord is on the bottom, again joined by a whole step, and we have the B flat tetrachord on top. E flat major scale is going to have 3 flats, B, E, and A. So our order of flats so far is B, E, and A. The next scale, A flat major scale, we can see it's going to have 4 flats, A flat tetrachord on the bottom, and the E flat tetrachord on top. As we cycle down the keyboard, we come to D flat, perfect fifth below A flat, and we build the next scale. D flat major scale is going to have 5 flats, B, E, A, D, and G flat. And then we're going to move to G flat major scale, down another perfect fifth. It's going to have 6 flats. Everything's going to be flat except for F. We have the G flat tetrachord on the bottom, again a whole step, and the D flat tetrachord on top. Perfect fifth down from G flat is C flat major, and every single note is flat. Next, we will write the major flat keys with their key signatures.